Hello students, welcome to rdchemistry. ಈ ವರ್ಷದ KCET 2022 ಪೇಪರ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೇಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. So let us start now. This is version code A. Now I will tell you each and every question from which chapter and which topic. See the question number 1. The question number 1 is from the basic concepts of chemistry, first PUC, empirical formula, molecular formula, and the answer is option number 2. Option number C. Question number 2 is from atomic structure about the orbital. Answer is option number C. Question number 3 is from periodic table, asking for the electronegativity. Option is A. Question number 4 is from the P block elements, group number 13, about the carbon family, graphite. Answer is option number A. Question number 5 from the chemical bonding and the asking for the bond order. Answer is option number A. Question number 6 is from the states of matter and they're asking for the pressure remaining constant. That is one of the gas law, and the answer is option number D. Question number 7 is from thermodynamics, asking for the delta G gives free energy, and the answer is option number D. Question number 8 is from equilibrium, Kp and Kc, and the answer is option number C. Question number 9, again from the equilibrium chapter about the Lewis acid base theory. Answer is option number D. Question number 10 from the redox reactions, asking for the oxidation number. Answer is option number B. Question number 11 from the S block elements. Answer is option number B. Question number 12 is from the P block element. P block element. Answer is option number D, about the inorganic benzene, borazine. Question number 13, basics, principles and techniques in organic chemistry, asking for the IUPAC name. So for question number 13, answer is option number D. Question number 14, type of the hybridization from the same chapter. Answer is option number A. Question number 15, polymer of propyne is option number D. When propyne is passed through the red hot tube, we'll get a acetylene. Okay. Question number 16 from, we can say, alkynes, acidic alkynes exhibit acidic character. Answer is option number A. Question number 17 from atomic structure about the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Answer is option number D. Question number 18, iodine crystal from the solid state. So answer is option number C. Question number 19 is from solid state about the Schottky defect. Answer is option number B. Question number 20, again from the solid state to write on the molecular formula. Answer is option number D. Question number 21 is from the solution chapter about the elevation the boiling point. Answer is option number A. Question number 22, solution chapter, isotonic solution. Answer is option number C. Question number 23, from the solution chapter, Henry's law, solubility of the gas. Answer is option number D. Question number 24 about the Faraday's law, electrochemistry. Answer is option number B. Question number 25 again from the electrochemistry, rusting process. Answer is option number A. Question number 26 about the Kohlrausch law in electrochemistry. Answer is option number C. Question number 27, Kinetics chapter about the differential equation. Answer is option number D. Question number 28, Kinetics chapter about the calculation of the order of the reaction from the rate law equation. Answer is option number C. Question number 29, Kinetics chapter about the temperature coefficient. Answer is option number C. Question number 30 is from surface chemistry, colloids chapter. Answer is option number A, zeta potential. Question number 31 about the coagulation in the surface chemistry. Answer is option number D. Question number 32 from the isolation elements chapter, metallurgy chapter. Answer is option A. Okay. Question number 33 from the P block element, group number 15, nitrogen family, about the tribasic acid. Option number A. Question number 34 from noble gas group. Answer is option number A. Question number 35, the weakest acid from the halogen family. Answer is option number D, the weakest acid. Question number 36 is from DNA block elements. Answer is option number D. Question number 37, dichromate in the D block element. Answer is option number A, chromyl chloride is generated. Question number 38, lanthanoid contraction from the DNA block elements. Answer is option number C. Question number 39, DNA block elements. Option number D. Question number 40th, coordination compounds about the high spin, low spin complexes. So answer is option number D. All are strong ligands. Question number 41, isomerism in the coordination compounds. Answer is option number D, ionization isomerism. Question number 42, coordination compounds. IUPAC name of the coordination complex. Answer is option number A. Question number 43 from the haloalkane chapter. Answer is option number D, alcoholic H dehydrohalogenating agent, and other things are there. Question number 44 from the haloalkane chapter. Answer is option number C. Question number 45 from the alcohol chapter. Wood spirit is a methyl alcohol, A option. Question number 46 about the acidic nature of phenol. Answer is option number B. Question number 47 from the aldase chapter, aldol reaction. Answer is option number C. Question number 48 from the carboxylic acid about the strongest acid. Answer is option number D. Question number 49 is from the again carboxylic acid, lithium aluminum hydride, strongest reducing agent, and the final compound 49, option number B here. Question number 50 from the aldehydes in ketone. This is a Rosenman reduction, and the answer is option number A. Question number 51, aldehydes chapter, or it can be from the haloalkane chapter or from the amine chapter. So reduction of the cyanides will give the amine. So the answer is option number A. reducing agent. Question number 52, amines chapter. Answer is option number B. Question number 53 is from the carbohydrates biomolecules. Answer is option number B. Starch is made of amylose and amylopectin. Question number 54 is from RNA, DNA biomolecules. Answer is option number B. Question number 55 again from RNA, DNA, nucleotide, nucleosides. Answer is option number A, phosphate units. Question number 56 from polymer chapter. So answer is option number D. This is a Teflon. Question number 57, polymer chapter. Natural rubber is a polymer of isoprene. B option. Question number 58, chemistry in everyday life. Tranquilizers are used to treat the mental disorder, mental diseases. C option. 59th question, chemistry in everyday life. Paracetamol is option number A, both antipyretic and analgesic. Question number 60, the last question here is the cell reaction from the electrochemistry, and the answer is option number A. Right? Dear student, you can WhatsApp me, okay, on this number. I can send the question paper as well as the solutions in detail. Thank you for watching. Good luck for your examination. Have a nice day.